Hello guys, it's me, Dan, and Cal, because he wants internet anonymity, or whatever the heck the word is, because I don't speak good English. We're here today with a big brown box full of the Jeffree Star Valentine's mystery boxes, and a fox, to make it holiday spectacular, because that's the life here. So inside this box we have, as always, tissue paper, everyone's favorite.
So much tissue paper. Always. Oh, wow. Actually, a lot less this time.
I think this is the premium, the deluxe, and the supreme. Oh my gosh, no, wait, that's not where I was going to move the box. You do not take direction well, bud.
Never.
So, or maybe I'm backwards. I can't really tell which box is which. They're all kind of heavy, if I'm going to be real honest. All kind of heavy. So let me get werewolf out of the way.
And there's little sticker things.
Because then I put them out. All the boxes. Let's start with the premium first. Yeah, I think that's right. I think that's the proper way of stacking them. I don't know. Stay, please.
It says on the box. Deluxe.
Oh, wow! Deluxe medium. Reading is fundamental, guys. Would you like to start opening this box? You'll need the scissors.
Yes, the scissors. Rule 1, do not cut to yourself.
It'll be a not fun time, I tell ya. I realize that I do actually need the camera to be a little higher. That's my party foul, guys. That's too high. It's a work in progress. Welcome to my life. Oh, I know what I can do. For now, watch Cal open a box. Like proper men.
It's a box. Ooh, I like all this.
I did it. There's a beanie! Whoa!
A pop socket.
A exclusive pop socket? I don't know. Yeet the pop socket to the child over there. You get a pop socket.
Eat it to Mongoose.
A beanie with the Valentine's embroidery. That's pretty neato. I'll wear it. I'm a hat kind of girl. No worries there.
The gloss.
The exclusive gloss, mind you, bud. In the shade Succulent. Ooh, wonder what color it is. I'm gonna say it's probably pink. What about you?
Probably. More tissue paper.
Oh, but this time in ruby red. The now going to be discontinued to make room for new merchandise Alien palette. Womp womp. Would you like to open it with its green packaging?
Yes.
While I swatch. Ooh, it's pink with blue iridescence, I'd say. Oh.
What does it smell like?
Anytime they smell like not makeup, it's a great time.
It smells like a thing.
Oh, I'm in love with this color. So it is just, you know, a nice little shimmer. As I said, with some blue metallic reflex kind of stuff.
Here's the palette.
It's the Alien palette. Wow.
How do I open this?
You don't know how to do designer things either,
Aha.
do you, bud?
I will get there one day.
It's not today.
Magic. Ooh, and it's just nice and claspy with a magnetic at the bottom. And here they are, for those of you at home.
Love on the box. Yeet.
I like this palette. It's nice.
Is that Alien Green and Area 51 the two shades that caught your eye?
Yep.
Of course it is. How would I know? Meanwhile, let me actually get in frame again. Look, guys, I'm back. I've been fiddling with a box for, 20 years. Don't mind me. Deluxe is next. So the red one's the deluxe one. We're going to be opening that together. Let's shake it around, because I heard something make not great sounds. You don't trust me with the scissors?
Never.
That's rude. You can't see the box anymore. Poor guy. Hello.
Lower him.
I did. See? Ta-da. It's now here. All I smell is the lip gloss on my hand.
I could only open this every
Wow, I'd have it open by now, bud.
Oh, well.
But I also open them the wrong way sometimes, so I just...
Learn something with some.
I mean, that's what they say in sports, right?
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I don't like the way you're holding these scissors. It's making me uncomfortable.
That's why I'm having to do this on the other side. Where...
I can do it, bud. I promise.
Okay, fine, go.
Engineering problems require engineering solutions.
It's a box. Oh, there's a hat. More lip gloss.
In the shade Legends only. We love the sound of crinkling because I want to put on a new hat. Ah! Are you going to swatch the shade Legends only?
No.
It looks like a matte gloss, so like no metallic.
Of course,
But a wet finish.
I opened this the wrong way, always.
Oh.
Looks like a very neutral.
This does not smell too hot.
It smells like hat.
It smells like factory. Oh, this hat's not shake. You didn't swatch the gloss,
No,
bud.
I did not.
You are a heathen. You're supposed to swatch the gloss. Oh, I lied! There is glitter in here. My bad, guys. I just don't think I've seen this shade too well. Oh, nope. It's basically just a nude shade. But, like, that's fine. It'll be a great lipstick topper. I promise.
So,
I'm trying with my side camera. See? You can kind of see it right there. Basically just a nude.
I think this is a...
Shirt?
Shirt?
Yes, my first shirt to get in a box. I've had tracksuits, I've had hoodies, and now I have shirt.
Oh, there's a second lip gloss. Oh, no.
No,
lipstick.
that's the Velour Liquid Lip in the limited shade. It is a nice Valentine print on the back with just a heart fake pocket on the front.
I think this is the shade Mystery.
Yeah, because it's the exclusive shade to the Deluxe box.
So I tried to not destroy it. Ooh.
It is a pinkish red metallic, kind of similar to the holiday one. Oh, that's way too much to swatch. But let's see. Yes, it's definitely more of a pink, so anyone who was concerned, oh no, it looks like the holiday one, it does not. It's actually a little more pink. And this is why I didn't want the camera so far, because now I have to, like, stretch to get to it. Just slide the... No, bud. You're doing this wrong. Wow, magic. Now it's just me and my show. Welcome back. My spotlight. Guys, I got a friend to give this to, but it is the mini Jawbreaker palette, which I got in the, was it Supreme Halloween box? I don't remember. That box was old news. But
Mini Jawbreaker.
here you go, friend. You're getting this. I paid money, but you get the gift. Oh, I probably should keep up with that because that's going to be a gift. Oh, look! Metal straws! My favorite part about mystery boxes, metal straws. Also, speaking of which, I'm going to get those purple ones on the 21st. Hands down, bar none. Oh man, another mirror. I just got rid of a mirror. That's fine. I love the mirrors. I had up to 8 mirrors, and then I was like, I don't need 8 mirrors. That makes me seem a little too vain. So I got rid of one. And now we have another one to make up for it. Yay! Open it. See what color it is.
That.
Oh, this is, I think, a highlighter palette. So let's find out. Oh, it is. It's the
20.
Skin Frost Pro palette in 24 karat. Because we're bougie up in here. Look at that packaging. So luxe. So designer. Wow, look at how well it's reflecting off the light. My box.
Those are nice. Sure.
Those are the shades. Pretty sure it's already been swatched. I'm not to that point yet. It's fine. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look, wow, how to make it all about me again. Oh my gosh. I yeeted this weird. I apparently can't open or close things, but oh wow, look at that packaging. Are you having problems?
Yes. I don't have nails.
Start opening this then, and I will take care of finding out what mirror we have.
Which one? Great.
It's from the Halloween collection I launched a while back because of the box. Because I got the orange one from the Halloween mystery box, which I still love. It's probably my favorite mirror in my collection. Simply because it's low-key Philadelphia Flyers colors, and, like, I'm here for them. They're my team. Look, wow, it's so easy. Wow, and I didn't break the sticker. It's almost like I've done this a bunch. I believe it's the white mirror, but I'm not going to say for sure. Actually, I mean, I know because the sticker's white, so might be. But let's just take a look-see. Maybe I'm wrong. Don't think I'm wrong. Oh, I don't know what I knocked off, but I sure did feel it. And look, it's the white mirror. So nice, so classic, so clean. You look, it's the mirror. The mirror. Still the more attractive one in this duo. Fight me on that.
Arr. Trade. Good trading.
Me, listen, never. Boss is this.
Handbag!
It's a tote, my boy. So I guess you can use it when you have to make a little run to the store to get new cosmetics, or go to a 7-Eleven, which we don't have those around here, to get snacks. Oh. You just throw your snacks in there when you're done. Guys! This looks like the side bags that he had released for the Valentine's Day collection. But it's in a nice maroon color. Oh, my favorite color. If you sell me something in this color, I will always buy it. Hands down, bar none. This color, always will buy. This is the Blue Blood palette. I've opened it once. I will leave it nice and pristine in its packaging for my friend who shall get it. So, let's put it aside. They can
experience it.
Yeah, they can actually experience how wonderlust it is.
More pop sockets.
Yeet it to the child. Oh, look at all these gloss and lipsticks. Ooh, look. Another exclusive.
Sparkle.
Another exclusive. I'll look at these in just a second. This is a velour lip scrub in the fragrance Mojito. You're a Miami boy. You probably like mojitos.
I mean, it's tequila.
Is it?
I believe so.
I think it smells like mint cough.
Yep.
I don't know. I can't really smell. Oh, it's a mojito.
Yes.
Mint juleps are different drinks, are they not?
I mean, it uses mint.
We do not condone underage drinking. PSA. Do not condone. What is this? Give me a second. Oh. Why is this so heavy? What is it?
A brick.
It's light blue and I'm here for it. It's the Brainfreeze highlighter palette. Can we appreciate the moment that I actually got a look at what it was? I was like, ooh, look, another mirror! My favorite. I'm here for all these mirrors, hands down bar none. Mirrors make me happy. I'm gonna need that later.
Yeah, you do need this.
And, oh, this was the holiday collection, not holiday, summer collection, I think, last year. So, yeah, came with the Jawbreaker, so that was last summer. Not gonna swatch that. But looky, boys, another mirror, my favorite. I love the mirrors. They make me so happy. Now, if only I can open the mirror, because that would be great, let me tell you.
You have nails? I believe in you.
I might have nails. I do not believe in me, however, because I got it from the wrong angle.
Okay, so switch and
No, I'm getting it now.
Ooh.
I'm getting it now. You want to start opening one of the lip glosses? That is the other exclusive shade, because I believe that there was 2 exclusive lip gloss shades for Valentine's Day. And it is the Jeffree Star approved hand mirror in the baby pink metallic. Look at that. Reflecting the light.
Approved.
Not us.
One day.
Look at this shade. Look at that. What's the name of the shade, bud?
Softcore Sparkle.
Softcore Sparkle. Softcore Sparkle. Sounds like a fun time. Ooh, it smells nice. We're here for a nice smell. So, let me close this back. My old lady hands just can't. That is, can't really see it, but ooh, boy, is so fun. This is the green mistletoe from the relaunch of his 5-year anniversary. So this is one of his holiday shades. It's just a, ooh, it'll make a great eyeliner, but it's a nice, like, kind of emeraldy dark green.
Fudge Pop.
Which is a metallic brown. Nope, it smells like lipstick. Straight up like lipstick. So good. A nice metallic brown.
Ooh.
This is Blow Pony, so this is a like nice purpley shade. It's very purple. So like, don't get me wrong when I say purpley shade.
It is very
also,
90s
why does
Miami.
it look so empty for someone who just opened it? But yeah, in total, And so, in total, we have, I don't know how many items. I'll throw that in a tag up here somewhere about how many items came in box per numbers, because I don't remember those values off the top of my head. Because, you know, I got calculus and physics to worry about more than numbers. Is this the shade Ice Cold? Oh, I own this shade. I love this shade. Even though it's a repeat, I'm not getting rid of it because I'm going to need another one before I know it. So, I won't open it until I need it because that hurts its expiration, but it's my favorite color. So, where's the other lip gloss? There's another lip gloss somewhere, but at least 4 lip glosses came in these boxes. It's over here somewhere, no worries. So, that's exciting. Love the lip glosses.
Oh, here it is.
No, that's a velour liquid lipstick. So, in total, there was 4 velour liquid lipsticks. 2 of them is from his regular line. One's from a holiday line, and one is from the summer collection 2 years ago from the Thirsty one. And a beautiful, nice, fun lip scrub, the Blue Blood palette, and the Alien palette. So that makes for 2 full-size eyeshadow palettes, plus the Mini Breaker palette.
So 2.5.
2.5, yeah. A tote, a side bag, which we can definitely use for sporting events because it can fit everything I need, which is a cell phone and light makeup. Straws. Good for the environment. The turtles will love us. Oh, hey, look. I found the other gloss. So, in total, 2 glosses from his regular line and the 2 Valentine's exclusives. Woohoo. Oh, this hat. How can I forget this hat? This hat that I'm wearing. The beanie. I tossed it over here somewhere. It'll show up later. And then, goodbye, balloon. You were fun while you lasted. The shirt. Which everyone was complaining about the shirt, but like, it's fine. I like the shirt. No one else has to like the shirt. But before I finish, let me just say, as a college student, at least we had the money in my account for me to order these boxes. Boxes? Hashtag blessed. Because without Afterpay, I definitely wouldn't have been able to get them had I not had Payday and a lovely supporter here to help me achieve all my dreams.
8 minutes. Gone.
Hey, I got lucky. I literally sent him a text saying, oh no, I don't think I'm going to get all the boxes. At like 12:07, my cart cleared, I did the checkout process, and then sometime later, J-Star tweeted, oh, the Supreme sold out in 8 minutes, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that means I was literally last in queue to get a box. Hashtag lucky. So yeah, hopefully, you know, the next future mystery boxes, anyone who didn't get one will be able to get one. We'll see. Fingers crossed that I'll be able to get them if Afterpay no longer exists for launches. Hashtag thank you, makeup gods. That's all for this time. Peace out, yo.